Junior doctors in England's National Health Service staged their first ever all-out strike, walking out on both emergency and routine care. They're locked in an increasingly bitter dispute with the government and Health Minister Jeremy Hunt's threat to impose a new contract on them. Talks have broken down in the Row over working hours and pay, with the main sticking point payment for weekend work. A government source told the BBC that the Junior Doctors Union, the British Medical Association, or BMA, was trying to topple the government and had radicalized a generation of junior doctors. That claim was rejected by the striking doctors in a picket line outside London's St. Thomas Hospital.
The risk is that Jeremy Hunt will create a generation of junior doctors who are suspicious of the politicians, and that will harm, the necessary interaction that we have with the Department of Health, and I think that is a real risk. I think this is the idea that we're have become radicalised, left-wingers is absolute nonsense, and I think the less inflammatory talk like that we have, the better, really.
It's not in our interest to go out there, try and topple governments, try and take over, try and be all-powerful. Jeremy Hunt's never been on the front line, he's never worked in a hospital, he's got no idea how to run a hospital, and yet he comes out with these ridiculous assertions and ideas that...
Nearly 13,000 routine operations and more than 100,000 appointments have been cancelled. Consultants have been drafted in to take over emergency and maternity care.